Hey guys, so this is our last center of mass problem that we're going to do today, and we have two stars in a binary system, and they give us all the information for the first star, but for the second star they just tell us that the two of them are 7.17 times 10 to the 11th meters apart, and it says later that the center of mass of the first one is 2.08 times 10 to the 11th. So we just subtract that from 7.17 times 10 to the 11th, and that'll give us the center of mass of the second star, which is 5.63 times 10 to the 11th, okay? And they do not give us the mass of the second. Okay, so we're just going to use our regular XCM equals M1x1 plus M2x2 divided by M1 plus M2 formula. So we know the center of mass already that they told us, which is what we subtracted earlier. Okay, so that's going to be equal to, again, M1, 3.7 times 10 to the 30, times X1, which is 2.08 times 10 to the 11th. Okay, just rewrite this bigger here. Divided by 3.7 times 10 to the 30th, plus M2, of course. M2 there is empty because we don't know what M2 is. We just left it as the variable. Now I'm just going to multiply the M1 and X1 of the first star there, and that'll give us 7.69 times 10 to the 11th. Now just for some room, I'm going to erase this. You can always rewind and see what I had there before. But so I'm just going to continue solving this equation. I'm just going to multiply both sides by 3.7 E30 plus M2 just to get rid of it on the bottom. So cancels there on the bottom. But now the other side is going to be this very long number here. Okay, I just distributed there. Equals 7.696 times 10 to the 11th plus 5.63 times 10 to the 11th M2. Again, I'm just leaving that side as it is. No need to touch that. So now we're just going to keep solving for M2, really. You can see what I do here is I just subtracted the M2 from both sides, okay? I did 7.17 E11 minus 5.63 E11, okay? That gives you and so you just solve there, you can see what I did, and you end up getting that the mass of the second star is 1.72 times 10 to the 31 kilograms. Thank you for watching, folks.